Hi, today we'll see the use of out keyword in C Sharp. Right now, we have a simple function that is taking integer as an argument and it is converting that number to 0. Right now, we have a integer I declared to 0 and we are passing this I to the function and we are printing the value of I before and after this function is called. So as you know that any inbuilt data type, that is a value type, whenever it is sent to a function, it is sent by value. It is passed by value. It means that only the copy of I is sent to the function. So whatever this function makes change it is making to the copy and not actual variable. That is why when we run this, as you can see, the value of I before and after the function is the same. So whatever changes done to the value of I by this function were done onto the copy or temporary variable that was passed and not to the actual I. So what if we want to make the changes to the actual variable? Then we need to give the memory location where this I is saved to the function. The way to do that is to use the out keyword. So in the function, at the time of passing a variable, in the definition you write it as a out, and at the time of passing I you pass it by marking it as a out. It means that you are actually telling the memory location or the address to this function. So whatever this function is going to do with that argument will be a permanent change. So now if we run this function, as you can see that after calling the function, the value of I is permanently changed equal to 0. Alright, so there are few more things you need to know about the out keyword. In the function where you are going to pass the out number, suppose if you don't do anything with it, alright, and then just try to compile it. It is giving you compilation error. The out parameter number must be assigned to before control leaves the current method. It means that whenever you make a use of out keyword inside the function, you must do a value change to it before this function's definition is finished. Now if you try to compile this, it will compile. This is the first thing you need to know about the out. Second thing is, before the passing of out, suppose we have assigned it to 100, but what if we don't assign anything before we pass it to the function? Now if we try to compile it, it is compiling fine. It means that when you use a out keyword, it is okay not to assign anything before you pass it to the function. But when you pass it to the function, inside that function you need to make use of this variable. You need to make a value change with this variable, otherwise it will not compile. Thank you.